Hey everybody, ever wondered what it would be like to take a cruise on Loch Ness? Let's find out on today's episode of Adventuring Spiders. Welcome back everybody. On today's episode we are going to jump on a boat and do a cruise on Loch Ness to see if we can find Nessie here. No, truthfully we're not expecting that, but we are going to go for a cruise on the loch and head over to Urquhart Castle, which if you've ever seen pictures of Loch Ness, usually they show Urquhart Castle. So you're going to get to see that. You're going to get to see the loch, the cruise, and the castle. Let's get it started. All right, there's the first view of Loch Ness. We left Inverness about a half an hour ago, so here we are. We're gonna wait for the boat to come in. We're gonna get on there and we're gonna go for a spin about a half an hour down to Urquhart Castle. You can see the Scottish Highlands back in the distance there. All right, standing here on the shore of Loch Ness, waiting for the boat to arrive. Alright, we just landed here. There's the boat in the distance. And we're now at Urquhart Castle, which is just in front of me here. Didn't take a lot of footage on the boat because it was crowded and it was windy. But I did get a little footage. And now we're at Urquhart Castle, the ruined remains of what's left. Which I actually prefer some of these ruined castles over the reconstructed ones, just because they seem to have a little bit more character. And here we are, getting a feel of Loch Ness. Yep. Is it cold?
It's cold, not as cold as I thought it was.
All right. Here is the entrance to Urquhart Castle. And we're gonna go in. Oh, this is so impressive. Standing in one of the ruined rooms near the top of Urquhart. Down to the grounds below. Loch Ness in the distance. I'm looking down upon the bridge here. The dock. And some of the upper battlements here. Alright, more to see. And a little section here, some of the taller walls that not many of these left. The old chapel up on the hill here, the kitchen area, and we got the tower. right, we're just at the top here, overlooking Urquhart and Loch Ness. And there is a little bit of an interpretive center up here. There's not much in it. There's a couple of panels giving some information on some of these finds that they had from here, archaeological finds. And then there's also a short video that you can watch, about 10 minutes. All right, everybody, there we go. Quick trip on Loch Ness, as well as a walkthrough of Urquhart Castle. Hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, smash that like button, hit subscribe. Until next time, good adventuring.